Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Cherville, local and long distance movers near me. Moving long distances can be equally exciting and terrifying. We can help make this process a bit easier. The first thing we do is discuss your needs and expectations. We'll also inform you about possible routes and give you some tips for downsizing. We also offer price estimates based on your location, the size and weight of your belongings, and your needs. Our rates are transparent and clear without hidden costs or extra fees. Our movers are also trained in handling the wide array of items, and you just need to let us know if you have any special items that we need to consider during the moving process. Maybe your new apartment is not ready yet, or maybe you need to store a few things before you decide what to do with them. Whatever the reasons, we can help. A local Cherville move may seem easy enough, but the reality is that it takes a lot of time and energy to sort and pack through all your belongings. Then you have to load everything into a truck and transport it to your new location. Once you get there, you need to unload, unpack, and assemble everything. A short Sunday afternoon can quickly turn into a few days of work. With 3 movers, we can take care of every aspect of your local move, while your only worry will be to get yourself to your new residence. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Cherville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.